Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to about guys realme phone guys button navigation setting. So friends, how can you set guys your button layout in your realme phone? So as you can see guys, I don't have guys this three button navigation, and friends you want to set this three button navigation means three button layout. So friends, how can you set in this video friends? I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're in my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon like my video. Then open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your system setting friends, tap here guys, click on your system navigation setting, and guys you can see your button navigation. So guys tap here to set your three button layout. So you will tap here, then as you can see we have three button layout. So you want to back, you can back, home as low, home button and screen button. So friends, you can see guys we have this three button layout setting, so we can back from here. So I hope friends you understood how to set three button layout in our realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.